How did this man sneeze and fart twice during one session?
Sometimes the force of the sneeze
It does
releases the sneeze. You know?
It causes all of the core muscles to evacuate anything that's in the body.
It's peak.
Twice.
Yeah. Damn.
Sneezing during sex is the worst thing possible.
It's cardinal sin.
Yeah, I cleared my throat one time and it killed the vibe.
I know what you mean.